These guys are funny. Look at them. Watch them. Watch them. One will stop running and we'll just go around it. What's going to happen again?
They're stupid.
They look like they're having fun.
I know, it looks like fun.
So just running.
I'm surprised their tails don't get caught. Look at this cutie patootie. How do you even get up there?
She's like fucking Yoda up there, fucking all-seeing.
Yeah.
I'm the all-seeing dwarf mouse, or whatever these guys are.
Yeah, these guys are cute. They're entertaining.
And you got these little guys in
Oh
here.
my goodness. You could have a bunch of these, but you'd have to get them fixed or something. Or you'd have a shit ton. They are so cute.
Anybody in there? Oh, you got ones in here too.
I like that little chunky one up there.
It's been a video I sent to Lauren.
Yeah.
And you got these big fat guys up here. Man, look how big their tails are.
I know, they're huge. That's the gross part.
This is like the ones in the subway. This is what they look like basically, except they're black.
Why you gotta have it be that color?
They're smart though. Look at them.
Yeah. Crafty. Like
I bet they'd be a cool pet. Like if you got past like this,
yeah, but I wonder if they can be like not so rodent-y and wild.
probably like ferrets.